So guys, I'm getting prepared to pick up some wood for grilling. Just wanted to show you where we at. It's really nice. It's the rice field. It's really nice looking. So I'm gonna go, let me show you real quick where I'm going to pick up some wood. It's really nice here. There's a little breeze as well. So it's really nice. Look at that, what a beauty. I've been living in Switzerland for the past 6 years now. I lived in Thun. It's a beautiful city, town, I have to admit. I mean, it's like a tourist area. It's really nice. So this is where I'm going. And most of the part though, I've lived in Zurich. It's Zurich is an economic city. Oh, look at that, look at that. Can you see that? Two hamsters are fighting. Come on. And there's one down. Come on. I think it noticed me and well, it's gone. They were, I guess, playing hide and seek. There we go. They're up there. That was nice. Let me see if I can still find them. No, they're already gone. Oh, there it is, there it is. There we go. You see that? Nice. I'm gonna leave them alone. So this is where I usually pick up the wood. It's a nice place. I mean, it's really nice. It's a really nice place to grill. You get to see all the Zurich town, and usually it's quiet. Today they're playing some music. It's the first time I've seen this happening. I guess they're preparing for the festival that's coming up. So I just want to show you a little bit where I pick up the woods. So these are some of the woods I'm going to pick up. Well, I'll leave it to that. See y'all. I love sitting in front of a fire and, you know, just listening to the fire, the woods burning. It calms me down very much. Just looking at it, hearing it, I mean, listen to it. Isn't that great? Love it. Looks good. Some tea. Sehr schön, lecker. The smell of the wood, burning wood, is great. Love it. The view is perfect too. It's really nice place to picnic. This is very relaxing. I'm gonna be here all day, enjoy the beautiful weather, the view, the birds, the sunshine, and the grilling. It's gonna be nice. They said we're not gonna grill meat as of now. It's gonna be in the evening. So we're gonna grill some vegetables for breakfast and see where we're going from there. Have some drinks, and I will also burn that big wood right there slowly, you know, because we're going to be all day here, so it's gonna be burning slowly. It's nice. No one is here, guys. For as of now, there is no one here. It's perfect. I'm alone with my wife with such a beautiful view. Look at that. What else could I want? Alright guys, now we're gonna grill our vegetables. So put some on here. So go. And aubergine as well. This is really big, so it's gonna take a while for it to cook, grill properly. Here's the second one. Just gonna take it there and take a couple more, actually put them all on there. There we go. And some tomatoes. Here we go. And we got the red pepper as well. And those. The mushroom will be cooked later, so we grill those later, but those will be grilled for now so we can eat them for breakfast. Well, let's see how it's gonna be. Looking forward to it. Guys, look at that. That looks delicious. And I can't wait to eat those. They're smelling really good as well. The aubergine, I said, will take time, so it's gonna be probably in an hour or so done, but those are already done, so perfect. We're gonna use the aubergine for salad, so that's gonna be really delicious. We'll show it later on. Alright, looking forward to it. So guys, this is tomatoes, pepperoni, yeah, I think so, I forgot the name, eggs, cheese, and some olive, and tea on the side with bread. So I think it's a nice breakfast to have with such a view, and we're gonna grill later on. Just gonna enjoy the day.